Good morning, YouTube. This is your boy Sutra. Welcome to Hurricane Helene or Helen Day workout. So we're getting ready to go to the gym. It's a little windy out. We're gonna be getting some feeder bands off of that hurricane. But during the workout, also I wanted to say, I don't know where my magnetic piece is for what I normally record with. So it might be a little difficult to capture the stuff today, but we're gonna do our best. Hope you guys are having a phenomenal week so far. Today is Thursday, and we're gonna get after it, man. Let's get it. Well, Hurricane Helene, Helen, something, workout, pull day complete. Man, it's been a roller coaster for today, man. I can't stand being out of my comfort zone, but we made it work, man, with the silly tripod until I can find out what I did with my my magnet. But we got it done, man. It's time to go home, chill, rest, relax, and you know, we'll see what this storm brings, man. You know, my prayers to the people up in the panhandle of Florida, man. It's not looking good. So you guys have a phenomenal day, and we'll see you tomorrow.